Welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll cover the lab that is creating a Gmail add-on. So first of all, open Gmail. A lot of you guys were complaining that you are facing some issues with the lab, but the lab is working fine. So I have created a fresh new video for you. So do like the video and subscribe to the channel. Now click on I understand. Now I will go slowly each step by step, so make sure to watch it carefully and I will tell you where you must have done error. So first of all, move forward to task 1. Now you have to open the app script link, open incognito window. Now we have to do some settings, that is we have to click on appscript.json. So first of all, click on got it. Now click on project settings. So project settings is here. Now you have to click on it. Now click on show appscript.json. Now for the file we need to rename the project. That is, a lot of you guys must have made mistakes, like some silly mistakes too. So here rename the project. Now for code.js, enter this entire command, replace it by using Ctrl A and X, then V. You must be knowing the basic copy paste command, function. So now for appscript.json, which we just now enabled, remove all and then enter here. Now you can click on save button. Now we will click on check my progress. We'll get a score without any issue. Now here the deployment part, you must have made some mistakes, because of it you are getting error. So click on test deployment. Now scroll down a bit and here you have to install the Gmail application. Most of you haven't installed the Gmail application, or you must have missed any steps, so must install it. Now here, now right click here and see whether the add-on is added or not. So as you can see, install developer add-ons. Close this unwanted pop-up. It's showing quick start, which we just created right now. So now let's move forward to lab instruction. In case you face error, repeat the task and watch the video carefully. So now we have to create labels. So first of all, as you can see, labels aren't visible here. Now close it. Still it's not there. Now click on any mail. So as you can see, there are no labels. So now as you can see, finally the labels are appeared. So now click on it. Now most of you guys have missed the label part, so for that you need to install Gmail add-on. So now we have to create two labels. That is, first we need to authorize ourselves. So click on authorize access. Now select the student ID. Now click on allow. So finally here the labels will be shown. So now close it. Now for labels, click on labels and plus, then enter the label name test1 and test2. Now click on create. Now we have to add the label. So first of all, as you can see, labels are not visible. So now refresh the browser. So now close this notification palette. On the label button As you can see, this is the label button, and you can see here test1 and test2 which we just created right now is visible. Now we are done with the lab. So as you can see, when we will check my progress, we have got 100 out of 100 and full score for this lab. So now most of you guys were making mistakes here on the deployment part. You must have missed the installation of Gmail add-on here. As you can see, it will ask here install instead of uninstall, as I have already installed here, and on the add-on it will show here. So follow the video carefully, and in case you are unable to see this label, just refresh